Hey there, welcome to Dinesh Sharma 10x. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to create an query sheet which allows only to enter the prices and rest of the cells are logged. Together with that, we are also going to learn some more techniques. So let's jump start. Here I have a sample file where I have some products, the category, their subcategories, product description and the quantities. And these are the products I want to buy and I want to send the inquiry of these items in this Excel sheet, but I don't want the suppliers to make any change in my existing data. So what I'll do is I will first create a column unit rate where I want the suppliers to fill the price. So I want them to fill the price in this column. Here I will give a color so that I can say them they are supposed to fill the prices in this cells only, which are highlighted with a light yellow color. And here I will calculate the total price. Total price is going to be the multiplication of unit rate with the quantity, and I will copy this downwards. And it is, I will also format this because I want the prices in euro, so I will make it like this. Okay, I have also given ample space so that all the rates can occupy the space properly. And now I will also put a total row here. So what I'll do is I will first apply the filter with shift control L, and then I will apply any filter, any particular filters, and then I will keep my cursor here. I will leave one row blank, and then I say alter plus so that it will add a subtotal formula here, and I will also apply the same formula again, alter plus for the total. So now I have the quantity, and this one here I will say total. And then whenever the benefit of this formula subtotal is whenever there is a filter applied, it only calculates the total of the visible cells. So this is how you can immediately apply this formula without having to type the complete formula yourself. And now I will do some formatting. I'll select the first row and I'll go to the home menu, styles and cell styles. Here I will give heading 3. This looks good. And at the bottom for the total, I will also select this row, and I'll again go to cell styles and I'll give totals. Now this looks very beautiful. Now what I want to do is I want to lock the cells, because right now if you see, if somebody want to make any changes, he can make the changes here, but this is what I don't want him. I only want the receiver of this file to make the changes here in the highlighted cells, nowhere else. So what I'll do is I will first select the complete sheet, and then I will go to home menu. In the fonts section, I'll click on this little corner, or either you can use control 1 also. So first I will click on this. It will take me in this format cells dialog box. In the format cells dialog box, go to the last tab which is called protection, and here everything is checked as locked. Ensure that everything is checked as locked. It should be a tick on the blue color, and then click OK. Then again select the cells where you don't want the where you want to allow the editing. Select all those cells. If there are many other cells, you can press control, or let's say if this is also required, you can select this way. So right now I only want on these cells, I'll select only this much. I'll again go to the format cell dialog box. For that I will use this time control 1 shortcut, and here I will remove this lock and then say OK. After doing this, it will still not be working the way you want. What you need to do is go to review tab, and here in the product section you will find product sheet. Click on the product sheet and product sheet dialog box will open, and here you are supposed to give a password. I will simply give a very simple password right now, 123. You can give a proper password here, and then also you can apply many other things what you really want to allow. So right now I only want to allow the person to select the lock cells and also select the unlock cells. I don't want to allow any of these things, so I will not check them. And then when I press OK, it will ask me to confirm the password. This is normally asked second time so that you yourself don't forget the password. So I will write the password again and say OK. Now once I have done this, you must have observed that there are many of the Excel options which are now grayed out. Those are not allowed. You cannot make any changes. And here also, if I try to make any change in any of the cells, it does not allow me, but I can still enter the price here. So this is how I will create a inquiry sheet, which now I can simply save and send to the suppliers. Suppliers will fill the price here. They will not be allowed to make any other changes, and then they will return this back to me. The total price and the total will be calculated automatically, and this is how we create a foolproof inquiry sheet which does not allow any changes in the unwanted cells. I hope you like this. If that's the case, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because in this channel I'm going to share many tutorials and the tricks for Excel to enhance your productivity. And if you want to follow me on other social media platforms, here are the links in this file, and of course I'm going to attach this file in the description from where you can download this file to practice with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.